We had a nice little adventure last weekend. Ditched the kids with Grandpa and had a nice little husband and wife camp trip. Took the van up to Patoka Lake. Been excited to take out of the van, even though it's not quite finished yet. We still had a good time. We started off the day on Thursday, and then Friday morning, woke up, made some coffee, and headed out to Groce Family Farm in English, Indiana, for one of their farm tours. Highly recommend if you're in the area, get on their website and get signed up. As always, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and we hope you enjoy it.
He's gonna take a picture of me. They're so cute.
Many people who are not 2 feet off the ground want to pet it. Okay, you want to pet him?
Yeah. These all pecans.
Yep,
They grow so fast.
they do. Yeah, they're kind of in that awkward stage before their feathers come in. So we move our cows to fresh grass almost every day, and these guys, they actually finished grazing at the back of the farm. We just moved them all the way up here to the front yesterday, and then we don't usually, about 3 days a year they get access to this pond where they can actually get in it, and yeah, like that guy. So, but we don't really like, this is the drinking water for all the animals in the farm. So we don't like having too much poop and pee in there. We can kind of here, cow. Here, cow. These are all our teenage boys. Here, cow. Here, cow. They don't get anything back.
What a cutie.
You gotta touch the top of his head. It looks awfully weird, doesn't it?
Oh, really? Yeah, they're called sexy or something.
The turkeys will eat it if we can come after the turkeys and well, it's a old Eastern European breed that it has particularly good marbling, and so the fur itself is just because I guess its ancestors come from some Hungarian mountain somewhere, and that's just how they were. But they're laying down in the mud and they will root around and kind of prepare and wax. So shade is important for them when it's hot, but
A king egg is so big.
Popped out of the car for some reason. We were in the car. Also, I'm not sure even if it was a car. I'm pretty sure it was like a buggy.
A buggy? Were there horses?
So we are on, can't talk. We're on the lake at Patoka Beach, and it is beautiful. Got a couple rocks for the kids and some shells. Excuse our Red Bull cans. There's like a little section over here that's off the beach, but still has some like shore to it. We're gonna go walk it and see if we see anything cool. pretty curious where that goes, but not curious enough to walk through it. So we'll just have to use our imagination. They actually had this super cool giant sundial down by the beach, but I recorded in slow-mo for some reason, but still thought it was super cool. So we headed back to the van. The van had been running great all weekend until it wasn't. As we started to move our way back to the campground, we started to lose power. I tightened down a loose terminal, hoping to fix the issue, and it appeared to be fine and fixed. So we relaxed, fixed us some lunch, which was just some soup, and just kind of had a nice, I think we ate lunch and took like a little nap in the van before we headed back out. Well, slight evening delay as our van will not start. I was thinking it's because of loose battery terminal, and now I'm assuming it's either still because of that or because the alternator is going bad. So we are outside at this gas station just outside Patoka Lake. Good.
It's got like a low carbonation to it.
Which one's that?
That sunset red.
Sunset
That's what
red.
I thought I would like. But that one's good too.
So before we went to the winery, I called a longtime friend of mine and said, "Hey, do your parents still have a cabin up this way?" He says yes, gives him a call. Turns out his mom's in town, and she comes, scoots us up in her golf cart, gives us a ride back to her cabin. Her camp neighbor drove me to jump my van. We get the van back to the cabin. It dies again. We replace the battery terminal, jump it, let it run. The van appears to be fine and good. And after an evening of catching up, we decided to just crash in the van outside their cabin. The next morning, we started it up, packed our gear, and we were on the road home, or at least we thought we were. Well, we broke down on the side of the road again. I've definitely been in worse breakdown situations. We were able to cook some sausages we bought at Groce Family Farm. We watched a little TV and just kind of hung out in the back of the van until help arrived. It took about an hour and a half, 2 hours for roadside assistance and my dad to get there to pick us up. But it was not a bad time, actually.
No, I don't want fungus peppers.
Who does?
Very good.
Do you have anything that might scare birds away?
Bird deterrent.
Yeah. No, I don't.
At the end of the day, despite having a few issues with the van, we still had a really great weekend. We made it home safe, and all the van needed was a new alternator, and she was back on the road again. Like I said at the beginning of the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like our video. We appreciate any and all support from you guys, and we love making videos for you guys. You can also keep up with what we're doing on Instagram at Groce Family Farm, and visit us online at www.pettigofamilyfarm.com. And if you'd like to know more about Groce Family Farm, 100% pasture-raised meats, check them out online, grocefamilyfarm.com, and on Instagram at Groce Family Farm. That's GROCE Family Farm. Thanks for watching.